Hey YouTube friends, today I'm going to do a product review. I am not sponsored by this company at all. I bought this with our own money off of Amazon. It's called Desorby, I believe it is. It's a twin DVD player for this vehicle, my truck. So my Infinity had a DVD system. The DVD was up front, and then the monitors were in the headrest. This doesn't come with it, so because the grandkids, we're gonna have the grandkids, and they like to watch something, DVD or whatever, as we're traveling. So figure, let's just get this. This was like 185 bucks, I think, for it. But you can take this anywhere you want too. You can take this, you know, let's just say if you went camping or on a trip or something like that, you can charge it up, and I think it has like a 5-hour run time. So, I mean, any DVDs or anything like that. So, yeah, let's unbox it, and I'll start putting it together, how it goes inside the truck, and we'll see how it works. Stay tuned. So here's the monitors. Got two of them. I think they're about a foot 10 inches, I think it is, or 12 inches. I don't really remember. But anyway, here's the monitors, and here's the mounting. So you got to remove these 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it goes into your headrest. I don't know if I can get those. No, I'm gonna get a screwdriver. Hang on. So yeah, I got the screwdriver to get into that tight spot. So you want to make sure when you mount it that you mount this side, you know, like this. Because that's where the DVD player is going to go. Okay, now we break it apart, just like that. Let's mount it inside the truck. There we go. I think this will work a little bit better. Okay, now we're off to a good start. Okay, time to get the DVD player and mount it. All right, here's the bracket. Just simple screw it on. Now we just want to put it inside. You hear that like ratcheting. You can move it whatever you want, and then you can lock it in place. So let's turn it on. Let's see if it has enough power. I know there it is. See the blue light? DVD player. Cool. So now I have to do that side, and then I'll show you that when it's all done. Hang tight. And just like that, they're both installed. Easy peasy. Not very hard to do. The kiddies should like this. So if you like this video, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And subscribe if I didn't say it already. Sorry. And I'll see you again on the next video. Thanks for watching.